Hi. In this video, I will guide you how you can update your home page and like post settings and stuff like that. So for that, you need to log into your website and then under the pages section, click on this pages. And here you can see all of your pages are listed over here. So you can scroll down and find a page named front page. Yes, you can see front page Elementor. So this is your static home page. So all you need to do is click on this edit with Elementor and open up in a new tab, and it will open up settings of the customized home page on your website. And let's open up it. So as you can see, mm, this is the page settings. So we have opened up. So for example, if you need to edit what sort of like content you want to show up over this feature section, so you can just click on this edit button, and here you can see under the post source section, you can click on this global or maybe custom, and then so as you click on this edit button, and you can see these are the options we have opened up. So we can just click on this post sources, and here you can choose your any of your relevant category. For example, if you want to show up real versus fake sneakers, so you can do that, and even you can also choose any of the category from here. And if you want to leave it as it is, so you can just click on this and it will be a general. So you can choose your relevant category, and you can also do that, like what of the other like from category. So you can choose multiple categories as well from here. So like this one, buy no or style. So there is a two option on if you can make it to only one category, or if you can also choose multiple categories, so you can do that as well. So this is how you can choose the featured categories, edit the feature category. Similarly, you can do that as well from here. Just click on this edit featured area, and then also go to this like you can choose any multiple categories or main categories, and the number of posts you can also choose that. Like if you want to show up these six number of posts, so maybe you can do that as well. But I think it's only three posts showing up over here. And on this same category, you can do that by clicking over here, go to the post section, choose multiple categories. If also you can rename it to from the heading section, like you want to rename that particular section. And similarly, if you want to rename that particular section, go to the heading section, put the name, and also you can put the heading link over here. And under this social circle, you can click on this, and you can do that from customizer, like adding up your own customized link. For that, you can go back to your website and then click on this customize. Let's see, from customize social follow. Okay, so by clicking over here, and you can scroll down and you can see social media links. So you can add up your own social media links from here as well. I have already added yours, but you can also add it anytime. So from the sidebar, I have already shared with you the links. I guess you have already updated that, so it's pretty much good. After making changes, don't forget to like update so that it reflects on your website. So I think uh, it's I have updated the settings, so you can do that. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.